Hi, this is Paul Bradby, and this is a quick overview video of the xBratAlgo trading indicator. In this case I'm using the TradingView version, but it's also available for many more trading platforms. The xBratAlgo works well on all time frames and all instruments, so whether you're a forex trader, a futures day trader, a stock swing trader, or indeed a crypto trader, the xBratAlgo trading indicator will find both long and short trading signals for you and will grade those trades from 3 to 6 star, with 6 star being the highest probability signal, a bit like a 6-star hotel if you like. But don't ignore the 3, 4 and 5 star signals, as they can get you into moves earlier sometimes. A quick note here, the high Kanashi candles are used with the xBratAlgo, as those averaging candles were used in the development of this trading strategy to spot the high probability moves. So this is a chart for US dollar Japanese yen on the 10-minute, and we can see some signals on there. So I'm just going to go through and talk through what those are and how we would basically look for basic entries, and then I'm just going to show you a little extra tool that you can use for managing those trades. So 4 and 5 star buy signals here on US dollar Japanese yen. So not the 6 star that we needed, but still good signals. So with a 5 star, 11 out of 12 points of control have actually ticked those boxes before that print, so that's a good signal here. Entry for this, we just look left. If there's a little pivot just above where our 5 star candle is, that's our entry. If there's no real pivots or no real resistance, we are going to go 1 pip or 1 tick above that signal candle. But if we look left here, we do have this pivot here and this pivot here, both at the same point. So we're just going to make sure we go above it. Very, very simple. Okay, I'm going to talk about trade management in a little while. I was going to go to the shorts now. You can see this resulting trade was fantastic. When we got the 5 star buy signals here, never triggered. It pulled back and then it pushed through. On the other hand though, when we have these 5 and 6 star, remember 6 star is the highest probability move here, where we are looking for those 12 points of control, and this is a go. So if we just again draw that entry, we go 5 star, we go aggressive 1 tick below. No recent pivots is going to really hinder us there. Or we go on the 6 star 1 tick below there, just a little later, but making sure that momentum's on its way. And then you can see this resulting move here. So some people will ask, where would I put my stops? Really, what you've got to look for is the recent pivot before the 5 and the 6 star in this case here. So this would be your stop at this pivot here. Again, this is subjective. People like tighter or wider stops. And again, with this here, you would probably look either very tight on this pivot here, but then again it doesn't trigger. It pulls back down and makes a new low pivot. So you've got to adjust your trading strategy, and this would be your stop at this point, because we don't get the trigger until this point here, when it actually goes through our sensible entry strategy. Just about there, okay? So that's the stop loss, the entry for these signals, and this could be on a 1 minute, 3 minute, a 30 minute, a 1 hour, a daily. Same principle applies. Look left, recent pivots, put your stop in, put the entry in, 1 tick, 1 pip below or above, depending on the long or short trades. Now I'm just going to show you a little trick here. We do have a very small indicator called the EMA cloud, but it's very, very useful when you're managing this. So what I'm going to do is just put that EMA cloud on. So what happens is, if the EMA cloud is broken on this long for the upside, you take out the long trade. That's where your trading stop's going to be, and that's when you take it out. Conversely, this is where your stop will be for there. Once we get a close outside of that 21 EMA cloud, and you can adjust that. You can adjust it to 13. If you're trading off a 3 minute or a 1 minute time frame with the xBratAlgo, you can adjust this EMA cloud to 13 or even 5 or something like that. But what it does, it stops you from getting out the trade too early. We don't get a close above, and now it's coming back down again. So great time to adjust that trading stop to this position here. Okay, so just a quick recap. xBratAlgo, great on all instruments, all time frames. You just need to find a groove. No matter what you trade, you will find a groove for the right time frame, and you will see those 4 and 5 star buy signals there. And if I just look back here, you can see 6-star grapes, 5, 6-star. So there's lots and lots of signals there, consistent, uses the same rules. You just need to use the same rules for those entries and those stops. And why not add that little EMA cloud to help you manage those trades as well. Hopefully that helps. It's a very complicated strategy, but it's been made very easy by just printing those 3, 4, 5 or 6-star buys or sells. It does it all in the background for you. You just need to work out your entry strategy.